Excellency, the Administrator of Rivers State, heavily represented by the Secretary to Government, who is here to declare this exercise open. Like you know, this is the maiden edition. It is an exercise that has been designed to help us clean our environments better. So, hand over to His Excellency to give us the charge before this exercise will commence fully. His Excellency, over to you.
Thank you so much. Trying to ensure that environmental sanitation is not just government business; it's also everybody's business. So we are calling on whether you are a market trader in mile 1, mile 3, or Rumokoro, or whether you are a transporter. We are calling on the youths. Landlord is supposed to be something that everyone should be interested in. So let me reaffirm our commitment to environmental sanitation in Rivers State and use this opportunity to congratulate the new board that has just been set up, especially led ably by Honorable Nwanosike, and to say that this day's sanitation exercise has been declared and is hereby declared open. So thank you.
Oh, no, no.
Where are you going with the refuse? Come ahead. Come on. Dispose the refuse. Pour the refuse. Hey, pour the refuse there. Pour the refuse there. Hello, come on. Pour the refuse there.
TVC. Call him.
Let's back. Can we back to you?
Yeah. We've had more than 85% compliance. There is nowhere in the world where you expect to have 100% compliance. In fact, for a maiden edition, we are shocked that we can have this kind of compliance. It means that Rivers people have agreed that the right to life, the right to good health, is more even important than the right to move around. So for those who are parading whatever court judgment they have, the court judgment was for the person that went to court. And we have solved the problem that the MD said to you. We have issued passes. For those who you say you saw, but we didn't see. But maybe it's only you leading that saw those playing football. We did not see. And so we'll leave it at that.
Was there any arrest made today?
Why would you be arresting them? There's total compliance. You saw it for yourself. You went round. So it's only when they defy the order of government, and that's when you talk about arrest. Will you arrest a man that has complied to the law? The answer is no. They were total compliant, and we're happy, and we thank Rivers people. We thank them for standing by the truth. The truth is that we need to clean our environment, and we need to return Rivers State back to the Garden State status.
Okay, for the
I'm happy that you all are coming. Made yourself available this morning to see that this exercise works very well. Today is the maiden edition. You know it has taken over 5 years. This exercise has not held due to 1 or 2 shortcomings. What we want to do today is to see how much Rivers people are going to comply with the actions of keeping our environment clean. I know you have great expectation from this board and management team. I know you people want the best, and I can assure you the best you will get.
Yes, sir. Good, sir.
All you need to do is just to give us a little time. We've just been sworn in. We are taking our baby steps first, but you can be rest assured all of you will be carried along. For today's exercise, I would want you to appoint 3 of your leadership here.
Yes, sir.
Write your names in a paper with your telephone number and let me have them. So, like I told the press when on our media meeting, that all task force is hereby dissolved. Meaning we are going to reconstitute another set of task force. This time they are going to bear a different name. We'll make it very beautiful. We'll get you vehicles, you go for training. So that when people see you, your appearance alone will make them accept to clean their own environment. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
You know, how you dress is how you will be addressed. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
And how you make your bed is how you will lie on it. If you agree that you work in that manner, just go behind there, write your name and your telephone number, and let me have the list. Don't write the name and number of anybody that is not here. The person is not interested. You who are here, you people are interested, and we'll work with you. The management of Rwama will set out to see what Rivers people are doing in terms of compliance. We want to also thank the security agencies who have sent a powerful team to aid us in making sure people comply to the rules of this exercise. This exercise starts from 7 a.m. and is expected to last up to 10 a.m. this morning. We are saying that this exercise is for the good of Rivers people and for the good of those who live and do business in Rivers State. As you go out with your team, we plead with you to be civil, treat every Rivers person and those who live and do business in Rivers State with a human face. We are here to make sure that we have a comfortable environment, do our best to return our status as the guarded city of this nation called Nigeria. Thank you for coming and God bless all of you. So, that has just been inaugurated to see that we keep our city clean. I'm happy that we are not seeing people playing football on the streets. We are seeing you work to keep your environment clean. One thing I will assure you is that every refuse that you pull out here today, we will collect them. We have made arrangements, we have the capacity, and you can see for yourself that our vendors and our service providers are everywhere. We will keep moving until all the remnants of the refuse are picked and collected. But please, do us one good. When you clean your environment, you're not doing it for the next person, you're doing it for yourself. They said a clean environment will bring a better life. A clean environment will bring an improved health situation. Please, I don't want to hear that anybody in Obazolo has cholera or has any issue related with unclean environment. Keep it up. Whatever you have, a lot of you have my number. If you have any issue, call me. Me and the ND will come here and we'll attend to you.
It's one, that compliance is not an on or off phenomenon. It's a continuum of varying degrees, and I can assure you that we moved right from the agency through Ikwere Road, we entered through Ikwere, we went Ikwere Road, we entered through the back of Ilabuchi, we went down through Azikwe Road, down into town, used the Police College Road, went through Agri Road, down into Creek Road, came back again, and I must say that we are quite pleased with the level of compliance. If I were to give it a mark, I would say it's well over 80%. I could almost have said 100%, but I'm sure you'll be smiling. You will say that we are giving ourselves a 100% pass mark. We have taken note of some of the pitfalls. We have also observed a few things which we will hopefully future environmental sanitation will also take care of that. Our service providers have responded excellently well in areas where we thought that they were not there on time. The chairman has called and asked them to be here so that the dirt and debris can be cleared. As I mentioned, the administrator of Rivers State has invested tremendously in critical infrastructure, which we never had for environmental sanitation in this state. And this investment is not a one-off event. It is going to be a continuous thing, even when our governor returns. I imagine that there will be a continuous investment in environmental sanitation going forward until such a time when we don't have to rely exclusively on people who would give us equipment for hire. In fact, we may go to a point where we may actually be doing some of the work that even some of our service providers are doing. Why not? Rivers people should take stakeholdership in the environment. What we are doing, we are not doing it for government. We are not doing it to please anybody. We are doing it for ourselves. Because environment is key to our own healthy life, sustenance, economic development, and what have you. And if we don't have a neat environment, then it can affect us fundamentally. I hear some people complaining that their rights to free movement have been infringed. And we laugh at such. Why are we laughing? Because the right to environment, a decent, clean, and healthful environment, is fundamental to your right to life. If you are not alive, will you be moving up and down? So what are we talking about? People are talking about how to ensure that we have a decent life in Rivers State. And we must say that we are very, very pleased with the level of compliance. Not just in Port Harcourt or Obiako, but also in all the local government areas. The recently inaugurated chairmen have cooperated fully with us. We have information that the same thing is going on in other local government areas as well.
You are the secretary to the River State government.
My name is Dr. Ibimina Wukuma. My name is Dr. Ibimina Wukuma. I'm the managing director of the River State Waste Management Agency, Riwama. We want to thank Rivers people for their participation in the environmental sanitation exercise that we just concluded. We also want to extend our thanks to the state government for the huge investment that they've done in enabling us to get the necessary equipment and facilities that we need to make sure that we serve Rivers people better in terms of waste management. We also want to thank the press and the media, because one of the strategies we are using in managing waste properly is to ensure proper sensitization, education and outreach, so that the public and the people of Rivers State will know the best way to manage their waste. There is no way we can reach everybody without the support of the media. So what we are doing here today is to enable us to accomplish that. So I want to thank each and every one of you for your support and all that you have done to make sure that we achieve this objective. I also want to state that the waste that we are talking about, when we do sanitation, it enables us to get people to clean the environment and also to bring out this waste so that we ultimately take and lodge them properly at the dump site. You know that one stick of broom cannot sweep. For you to sweep, you must gather brooms together. So when we gather all these waste, we pick them and dump them at the dump site. It also enables us to get the volume that we can now transform into wealth. You've heard of waste to wealth. Now we are managing waste as a social service so that our environment and everything will be clean. All the negative things associated with waste, we will try to avert it. There is environmental pollution, the health risk and social nuisance and everything. Then we go to the next stage, which is waste to wealth. But for us to transform the waste now into wealth, we must get them in the right volume. So part of this environmental exercise is to enable us to get all this waste from where they are. Our people will live in clean environment, and then at the dump site we will also get the right volume for us to transform into wealth.
Before today's
restriction of movement, that's why we made provision for a pass. We have a pass. We know that there are persons that will want to clean their business places. They have to move from their house to the business place.
Beyond them,
there are also people who are on essential services. So we have made provision for such people. We made it very public that there's opportunity for people to come and collect their pass. And for the past 2 days, people have been coming here to collect the pass so that they can move. So some of the people you see on the road, it's not that they are defying the order, but they've actually, secured their passes. So they are freely moving about, going about their business.
including those that were playing football?